for 33.
Tama.
Opo, 4 sine squared po.
But yung meaning niya ng square root of the square, it's still the absolute value. So meaning you are to integrate over the said absolute value.
Tama.
Tama.
Pero paano po yan?
Yung 'di ba yung sa picture mo earlier, 'di ba yung bago ng naka-encircle na yan. So mag-i-integrate ka ng 10 times square root of 4 sine squared 4 over 3 t, 'di ba?
Tama.
That's the square of 2 times sine for thirds t.
Tama.
So meron kang square root of the square. So meaning, ang definition lang naman yan, it's the absolute value.
Tama.
So ang pag-i-integrate mo is directly sa absolute value na yon. And you were able to solve naman. Nakita yung solution mo eh.
Tama, pero parang medyo tedious po siya eh. Kumbaga, ikukunin ko pala isang isa tapos sometimes the period. Wala talaga po,
Okay.
there's really no way po to evaluate na naka-absolute value po without doing something like this po.
Sa integration po may diretso.
Normally, it's a technique. Kung dadirect ka sa square root, unless meron kang integrand that would satisfy na nasa labas ng inang ano mo, ng force ng i-integrate mo. But in this case, yun ang best technique to do the integration.
Tama.
Di ba ang ibig naman sabihin ng absolute value sa sine? Yung lahat sa baba ng x-axis mo, nasa taas na. So
Tama.
all you have to do, bibilangin mo ang kalahati ng bawat period. So meron kang ilang period dito, 4 na period, pero kalahati nun ng bawat isa. So meron kang 8. So magta times 8 ka nga.
Tama.
Which in this case, correct naman. So ang concern mo lang kung merong way to integrate directly sa square root.
Tama.
So far, parang wala akong ibang technique na maiisip.
Ganyan talaga ba?
Bakit feeling mo parang napaka-tedious, napakahaba?
Opo.
Hindi, technique, inisip ko pa baka siguro mas simple. Parang, kumbaga, negative something sa i-evaluate may positive something.
Well, kasi ang hirap ng square square of a sine. Alam mo naman ang integration medyo maarte yan compared sa derivative. Ang derivative napaka-direct.
Tama. Yung integral po, wala pong parang chain rule din po para lahat easier.
No nga, yan yung ano. So ang ang integral ng isang expression ng isang square root mukhang mahirap na actually for me the way I see it. Pero again, tama tong ginawa mo. Tama naman talaga. Ganda actually ng problem ha. Magandang problem.
Okay po. Tama.
Okay, so anyway, dali lang, i-maximize ko lang dito sa isa kong screen. Ayun. Alright. So, let me share muna ang ano ko screen ko sa iyo. Joshua. Yung klase ko kanina, Joshua, has to do with fundamental concepts in mathematics. It's our first day of class ngayon.
Okay po.
Ang topic ko sa kanila, actually we talk about what's fundamental concept, bakit kailangan siya for BS Applied Mathematics kasi yung mga students ko. And then sabi ko lang naman is they need to learn the basic concepts before they understand mathematical papers. So dami na kaming chinismis ng mga topics like yung continuum hypothesis kasi part yun ng discussion namin. Tapos yung mga naririnig mo na yung Sir Melo Frankel axioms at Sir Melo Frankel axiom of choice.
Action of choice po. Yun po.
Ayun, yun mga nagiging discussion namin that has to do with the basic foundation ng mathematics. So, medyo nag-interest sila. Bakit ganon? Halimbawa, may isa akong meme I don't know kung nakita mo tong meme na kung nakaka-relate ka dito. Nasa ano yan nasa Facebook ko. Nakita mo na ba ito? Wait, i-open ko lang siya. Uy, bakit hindi niya siya nag-open? Ayun, ito. Kita mo yan?
Ano? Kasi, parang meta. Ano po na meta? Bale po. Aba.
Nagets mo ang meme?
Yung ano po, yung pumaga, ano, parang, ano po yung, ano, parang siyang paradox po di ba po?
Yes, tama.
Para
Actually,
siyang, if, kung there is a set of, what, and then, is there, kung magaganon po, parang recursive, it will be out of that set, pero it must be inside at the same time, no po?
that's
Parang,
correct. Actually, this is, kilala mo yung tao na yan? Yung ang picture?
si, Bernard something po?
Oh, Bertrand Russell.
Bertrand
Yan,
Russell po, yun po.
tama. Ayan. Siya kasi yung ang history nito actually, may isang German na mathematician that is finalizing a book that somehow formalizes the foundation of
Gilbert po.
mathematics. Tapos nung binabasa yung book, may nakita siyang something's off. And then he shared this to the mathematician. Actually, yung pangalan nun, si Gottlieb Frege. Parang sikat siya actually sa languages Gottlieb na Frege.
Aba.
Tapos nag-share siya, sabi niya, what if kung ganitong scenario? You have a town composed, you have a town where men, mga lalaki, goes to a barber to be shaved or hindi sila
The barber
pumupunta sa
problem
mga
po.
barber, not they shave themselves. So yun ang story.
Aba.
So
Ano po, parang
ganito din yon.
may barber po. There's only one person who knows how to shave. Siya ba po?
Yes.
Parang gano'n po.
Wala na ibang barber, so siya lang. So question, since lalaki naman yung barber, who shaves the barber?
Opo.
So parang ganito, yung a meme of a set of memes. So meron kang meme, so a meme of set of memes. So dapat sa loob siya. So yan,
Opo.
which is a paradox. Ayan, that's ano, nakakatawa yan nung nauna ko yung nalaman in college.
Opo.
Well, anyway, so let's begin our discussion this afternoon. So we'll talk about actually permutations. So last meeting, sulat ko munang title, nakapag-umpisa tayo about what is a permutation. Particularly, ang discussion natin will be on permutation group. So again, when we're talking about a permutation, let's consider a set A. So halimbawa, ang laman ni set A, it's composed of the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. And let's consider a mapping. So tawagin natin ang mapping natin si alpha, where each of these numbers, 1, 2, 3, and 4, is mapped to 1, 2, 3, and 4 with the following. So pwede si 1 is mapped to 1, si 2 is mapped to 3, si 4 is mapped to 4, and 3 is mapped to 2. So meron kang, you can write this symbol this way as a function, or pwede mo rin siyang isulat as parang some sort of a matrix such that your domain composed of 1, 2, and 3 are mapped based on this relationship ng mga arrows. You have 1 is mapped to 1 and 4 mapped to 4. Pero yung 2 and 3 nag-switch. So you have 3 and 2. So this alpha is an example of a permutation. So ito yung meaning when you're talking a permutation, so ang alpha mo is a bijective mapping. Can you help me recall ano yung bijective maps or bijective function?
One-to-one or on-to po na.
Tama. So therefore, this mapping is one-to-one or tawag dito injective. Tapos yung another way of mapping this, we call this onto, or another technical term, we call this surjective. Okay? So yan. So all permutations are simply one-to-one and onto mapping or a bijective mapping. So in this case, kung meron kang tatlong, I think na-enumerate natin last time, na kung meron kang tatlong letters, 1, 2, and 3, how many possible permutations can you generate from three numbers, 1, 2, and 3?
1, 2, 3, 1. Ano na po na? Combination 6 Ano ba?
Actually, clue mo dyan ang word na permutation eh.
1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 6 yata po.
Yes, that's correct. It's 6. So, meron kang 6 permutations. And you will have the following. So, gagamitin natin yung mga symbols na to. Row sub 1, row sub 2, row sub 3. So, ang row sub 1 mo, ang original permutation mong gagawin, it's a permutation na wala kang ginawa. So, meaning 1 map to 1, 2 map to 2, and 3 map to 3. So, another permutation na pwede mong ma-imagine is you can rotate the numbers as follows. So, si 1 mo, map to 2, si 2 mo, map to 3, and si 3 mo, map to 1. Parang nag-rotate lang siya counterclockwise. And similarly, ganun din, another rotations that you will have, i-rotate mo ulit ang row sub 1, so magiging 3, 1, and 2. So that's one bijective correspondence between these two sets. Or another one, tawagin natin tau sub 1, tau sub 2, tau sub 3, is that you fix 1 map to 1, tapos i-switch mong dalawa ang 2 and 3, so you'll have 2 map to 3 and 3 map to 2. Then similarly with tau sub 2, if i-fix mo si 2, tapos pagbalik ka rin mo si 1 and 3, you will have 3 and 1. And similarly, if i-fix mo si 3, so you will have 1 and 2, babaliktad, so you'll have this permutation. And nagamit ko yung term na rotation earlier, nagamit ko rin ang term na fixing. Meron na tayong na-encounter before na group that has this property. Naalala mo yon?
Group that has this property. Yung ano po na, yung nakakalimutan ko na lagi yan. Yung ano po, yung by dihedral. Dihedral group.
Yes. Actually, may bi ka na, may di ka pa. Dahedral lang.
Ano po?
Okay. So therefore, you can somehow illustrate this with a triangle pala, with 1 here, 2, and 3 as the vertices. Tapos, rotate mo lang siya. So, bawat rotations are these 3. Tapos, kung i-fix mo si 1, halimbawa, i-rotate mo tong dalawa, if-flip mong dalawa, so you'll have this, and so on. So, fix mo si 2, fix mo si 3, flip mo. So, you will have that. Okay? So, however, hindi to pareho sa dihedral group. Nagkataon lang, nagkapareho siya sa dihedral group for a triangle, an equilateral triangle. Pero for a square na magro-rotate ka at mag-flip ka at na mga gagawin ganon, hindi na siya magkakapareho. Kasi if we will enumerate, say, for example, A, it's composed of, say, 4 numbers. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So, 4 na numbers. So, my question is, ilang possible permutations meron ka dito?
4 factorial yata ba?
Right, so, how many ba yun? 4 factorial?
24 po.
That's 24. So, ang laman ng set ng permutations na to, there are 24 of these. Pero for a square at magko-collect ka ng mga symmetries of the rotations and the flippings, ilang meron?
8 lang yata po.
8 lang. So in other words, magkaiba sila pala ng mga sets or magkaiba sila later as a group. So therefore, the best way to enumerate this, pwede siyang lexicographic. So somehow in an order. Parang ganito. So if you consider 1, 2, and 3, and 4, imamap mo siya to a number. Di ba, ang pinakaunang mapping na gagawin mo is of course to 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's the first one. Pero as you consider increasing yung number mo, so anong sunod na magiging number dito? Na dapat ma-retain mo na bijective pa rin ang magiging sunod na number. So meron kang 1, 2, so ang next niyan increasing, so meron kang 4 and 3. Okay? So ayun, so meron mag-increase na siya. So, next mo tong magagawa, anong sunod dito? So, from 2, mag-uumpisa sa 3. So, anong sunod na dalawang numbers?
2, 4 po.
So, you will have 2 and 4. So, anong sunod after this?
1, 3, 4, 2 naman po.
4, 2. And then, anong sunod? Right after?
1, 4, 2, 3 siguro po. Tapos 1,
1,
4,
4, 2, 3. And 1, 4,
3, 2 po.
3, 2. So, this is the first na gagawin mong first 6. Then, ang next naman, mag-uumpisa sa 2. Then, ang lexicographic order. So, you will have another 6 naman dito. 6 naman yan. So, ito naman, mag-uumpisa sa 3. And then, you will end up na, I think, ang pinakamataas dito is you will have 1, 3, and 4, di ba? And then, ang pinakano dito, 4, 3, and 1. Tama?
Tama.
Tapos dito, 3,
1, 2, 4.
1, 2, and 4. Tapos ang last dito, 4, 2, and 1. And then lastly, sa 4 mo, magiging 2
4,
and
1, 2, 3 po. Tapos yung 4, 3, 2, 1. Yung
3.
last.
Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so 6 yan. 6 ito. So there are 24 of these. So therefore, if we will collect all of this, ang unang ginawa natin, ang collection nito, we call this S3. So, ang laman nito, in this case, are these permutations, row sub 0, row sub 1, row sub 2, tau sub 1, tau sub 2, tau sub 3. And then sabi natin kanina, the order of this set is just 3 factorial or just equal to 6. So similarly, ganun din, if we will collect all of the permutations here, collect mo yan, so you will have 4 factorial of this, or there are 24 all in all. So lahat-lahat yan, 24. So therefore, what do you expect? By the way, pangalan nito S4, kanina S3. So how about when your A are composed now of 5 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's the expected order of S sub 5?
5 factorial po. 120.
5 factorial, or that's
120 mo.
120. That's very good. So, in other words, in general, when we're talking about a permutation, so when we define a permutation, you can symbolize it this way. Let's call this alpha. In such a way, all of the elements, 1, 2, 3, on your domain for, if ang assumption natin dito, si A mo, it's composed of the numbers 1, 2, 3, up to some n. Tapos, meron ka ng arrangement of all of these based on the permutation. So, let's use the symbol alpha sub 1, alpha of 1, alpha of 2, alpha of 3, up to some alpha of n. As long as you maintain that alpha is bijective, so therefore, you will always have a permutation. So if you collect all of the permutation of n letters, so therefore, A alpha is a permutation. So number 1, si S sub n mo, you can right away say that this is a group. Okay? And the number of elements of this group is just n factorial. Now, may question sa iyo, Joshua. Bakit naging group ito? Ang set of permutations. A collection of permutations na to.
So, they have the same lagi po. Same na yan.
Ay, by the way, may nakalimutan pala ako, Joshua. Ang set na to, itong S sub n mo, this is the collection of all permutations. So, yun is a collection of all permutations. So, kompletong permutations. So, can you go back? Anong response mo? Bakit ito ay naging...
Sigurado po may binary operation talaga po. It's real.
So what's the binary operation of... So, imagine mo, 2 permutations. Ano bang mga permutation natin? Sabi natin bijective. Anong klaseng bijective to?
1-to-1 po.
It is?
One, two. Yes, opo. Dapat 1-to-1, I think.
Oh, it's a one-to-one and auto on to. Pero anong klase? Ano to sila? I think ano tong kanina na isulat ko? Ito, this is a
Injective or yung bijective mapping nga po. So
mapping.
yung mapping mismo po yung operation po.
Tama. Or what's another word for mapping?
Ano po? Parang
Starts with letter F. Parang ganun. Starts with letter F.
ah uh check
Ito ang dugtong. Oh, yon. Ano yan?
functional pala po.
Yan.
Function
It's a function. So, it's another term for function. Yung mapping. Yan. So, therefore, ano ang operations between functions? So, ano yung binary operation? Sabi mo, merong binary operation. So, ano yung binary operation nito? Yung function.
Yun po yung mapping po. Parang it will take in an input of the set. Tapos then it will output the same elements of the set but just rearranged in some sort of manner.
Oh, pero halimbawa, I have two functions. Say F and G. Anong gagawin mo sa dalawang function? Mag-add ka ba ng function? Magdi-divide ka ba? Multiply? Ano ba yung operation na gagamitin mo? Naalala mo yung, I don't know, kung na-encounter mo na ba yung tinatawag na composition of functions?
Aba, kumaga yung you will function of it's the function of a function of a something mo.
Yes, parang F daw, di ba? F of G, ganon. Or sometimes gumagamit tayo ng circle. In some literature, circle yung ginagamit. So it is a mapping composition. So composition.
Baka po na, pwede po may set of rules. Tapos any other way of rearranging can be some composition of those parang yung flipping po parang sa ano nga po. Yung sa dihedral, pwede po mag-flip.
Yan, oo. So it's still
whatever
composition. Yung dihedral na ginagawa, di ba napansin mo from right to left? So ganun din yung composition of function from right to left, yung magiging direction niya. So that's one. Composition. So next, ano pang property na satisfy nito as a group?
Dapat may identity mo.
May identity. So meron ka bang identity na mapping?
Yes, yung wala pong gagawin.
Ayun. So therefore, 1 is mapped to 1, 2 is mapped to 2, 3 is mapped to 3, and so on, n is mapped to n. So ayun. That's a composition. By identity. Ano ba? Ano pang property na kailangan? Again?
Inverse po.
So, dapat meron kang inverse. So, ang question, what assures you na meron palagi kang inverse for each permutations? Halimbawa, ito. What do you think, halimbawa, if meron akong mapping na 1, 2, 3, say 4, say I have 3, 2, 1, 4. So if this is tau, ano ang tau inverse nito?
Parang the opposite na po. From 3 to 1, 4 to 1, 2, 3, 4 po.
Okay, so therefore, you have, tama. If you have a 1, so magiging 1 is to 3, tapos 2 is to 2, 3 is to 1, tapos you have 4 is to 4. How will you check na tama ito?
Kung if you input the 3, 2, 1, 4, it should go back to yung original po na 1, 2, 3, 4 po.
Tama. So, magiging 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ang question ko, this is an example, So, meaning, this is a permutation. This is also a permutation. So, what assures us na meron palaging bijective? I'm sorry, nasabi ko na. Meron kang permutation na inverse doon.
Wala na po, it's over. Nasabi na po yung ano. One-to-one
Yan.
function tapos, so whatever na papasok, laging may palabas mo. Umaga.
Yan. Because yung bijectivity of the function assures us na meron kang palaging inverse ng function. It's a known theorem na as long as the function is bijective, you will always have an inverse. So yun lang naman ang bakit naging inverse siya. May kulang ka pang isa, anong property?
Associativity po.
Ano?
Associativity po.
Ayan, associativity. Bakit associative ito?
Parang, I feel like it's common sense na associative mo, pero paano ko sasabihin kaya na parang is common sense? Parang,
Paano?
parang common sense mo siya pag re-arrange to, tapos na re-arrange din. It's the same as yung operation as if na isa lang po siya. Wait na po. So, parang, wala. Parang, pag gumalaw to from, let's say, 1 to 2, tapos yung 2 to 3, the same siya as 1 to 3 sa 2.
Ayan, paano? Halimbawa, I'll show you. You have 3 permutations. Let's call this alpha, beta, and gamma. Uunahin mo to. It's the same as saying, gamma pala, no? Dapat gamma. So, gamma. Ayan. Uunahin mo yan. So, it's just saying na uunahin mo muna si beta at si gamma bago ni alpha. Parang pareho yung dalawa na yan. So, what makes this true for it to be associative?
Baka siguro, function, hindi ba po yung parang, since the mapping is a function composition,
Correct? Ano?
there a way na pwede na po sabihin every function composition is associative? Parang siguro may ganun po. May ganun po siguro assertion.
Actually, you're correct. Tama yan.
Yun na ba?
Because the function is associative. I mean, mapping composition will always be associative.
Wow.
Pagiging associative yan. So, therefore, you are correct. Sa pagiging function niya lang. Not necessarily, hindi mo nga kailangan binary, bijective for mapping composition to be associative. Basta function lang siya, associative na siya.
All the time ba?
Ano again?
Wala talaga pong, there's no function na hindi po associative.
So, correct. Basta composition even addition of function, associative din. Multiplication of functions, associative din. Ayun. So now, let's make our life easier. Kasi napaka-weird ng kung ang function natin is written this way. I mean, ang permutation natin kung isusulat natin siya in some matrix form. So gagawin natin, can we somehow have a shortcut, a way of writing this? Ang tawag dito is actually a cycle, or we call this cycle notation. Sulat ko muna. So cycle, gawin ko sa black. Cycle notation of a permutation. So, halimbawa, meron kang permutation. Let's call this, say, for example, alpha. Si alpha natin have the following. Say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. At tapos meron kang 2, 1, 4. Tapos you have 6, 5, 3. I want you to observe, bawat number that is mapped to another number, tapos parang ano mo siya, parang i-chain mo yung kanilang mapping. Say for example, let's start with 1. Si 1 natin is mapped to 2. Okay? Pero si 2 mo Diba? You start with 1, map to 2. Yan. Tapos, punta ka kay 2, then, i-map mo, anong mapping nito siya sa papunta? Papunta siya kay 1. So, therefore, you'll have 1 is to 2, 2 is to 1. That's 1. You have 1. Actually, tawag dito, this is 1 cycle. Can you find another cycle?
5 to 5 ba?
So, we have 5 to 5. So, that's another cycle. Napakadali yan. Ano pang isa pang cycle? Ano ba yung natira?
May 4 to 3 to... Well, di yata cycle po yun. 4 to 6 siguro.
4 to, paano? Sige. Start with 3. Saan papunta si 3?
To 4.
To 4. Tapos from 4, saan siya papunta si 4?
And then to 6. Okay, so it still makes sense for some reason. Why is it?
Tapos, ayun. Di ba bumalik siya sa 3? And again, the cycle will be created. So therefore, can we break down? Pwede ba natin ma-break down ang matrix na to in some sort of a cycle? So in this case, I will be writing this permutation as follows. So ito yung magiging symbol ko. 1 maps to 2 and 2 maps to 1. So ito yung una kong magiging cycle. The second cycle, 5 maps to itself. So magiging ganun na yan. And then finally, anong remaining numbers? You have a 3 maps to 4 and a 4 maps to 6 and a 6 maps to 3. So bumalik lang siya. So I'll use this notation. So hence, this is another way of writing a cycle.
There's no
A
way.
cycle, a permutation, I mean.
Nga po na. So, para siyang... why does it always work?
Ito, makikita, parang it's somehow a convenient way of presenting your permutation. Bakit? That's the correct question. Why this works? Bakit nag-work ito? Because, ang mga cycle na to, ang bawat cycle na to, halimbawa, if you consider this cycle, kung ibabalik mo siya as a permutation na usual, so parang you can imagine this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So meron kang 1 is to 2, 2 is to 1, and the rest, it maps to itself. Kasi dalawa yung in-indicate niyang na may cycle, and the rest hindi. How about ang 5? Ang 5 natin. So sabi natin 5 maps to 5. How about the others? Ang mga mappings 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kasi wala kang sinabi sa kanya sa ibang numbers. So you automatically say, 1 is 1 to 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, and 6, 6. Okay? And then lastly, ito yon. Yung 3, 4, 6 mo, may nasabi na tayo about, say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tapos ang 3, 4, 6 mo, alam natin 3 is map to 4, 4 maps to 6, and 6 map to 3. So ito lang yung original na alam natin. Then the rest, to itself. Parang sinabi natin, na-breakdown ito into 3 products of permutations. Paano mo ma-check na tama yan? Tama yung magiging outcome na to. Kasi, remember, mapping composition to, di ba? Mga functions ang tatlo na to. Ito, functions ang tatlo na yan. So, therefore, you do it in terms of a mapping composition. Halimbawa, 1 is map to 1 dyan. Pabaliktad tayo from right to left. So, saan pumunta si 1? 1 is map to 1 again. O, saan pumunta si 1? 1 is map to 2. Ay, pumunta na siya sa 2. So, therefore, 1 is map to 2.
So parang pag gumana na po siya, it will parang by yung parang common sense din po siya, parang may iwan na po siya. So, it will always go back somehow. Eventually
That's
po.
true.
Kahit
So
na,
rather than,
kahit na ano po, parang kahit na magkaiba po sila kung 1 to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, eventually the 6 has to go to 1 ulit po. So
that's
it's all,
true. Tama. So kaya, ito yung pinaka-convenient way. Napaka-convenient way to of writing a permutation. In fact, actually, di ba kung iisipin mo, 5 maps to 5, obvious na yan na 1 is to 1, 2 is to 2, 3 is to 3, up to 6 is to 6. So rather than writing it, including si 5, pwede mo nang isulat 1 is to 2, 2 is to 1, 3 is to 4, 4 is to 6, 6 is to 3.
so parang
So
obvious
nawala
na
na
po
si
yung,
5.
obvious na po yung 5.
Remember, ito, identity lang yan. Identity permutation. So, pwede siya mawala. So, therefore, ito na yung convenient way of writing your permutation.
Wow.
Pero may question ako sa iyo, Joshua. Ang mapping composition ba commutative? Pwede mo ba siyang ibalik? Halimbawa, ito, I'll put it here. Is F circle G equal to G circle F as functions?
Ow. Wala mo. So, kung let's say po from 1, tapos it will map to 2, and then it will map to 3, yung F, yung map to 2, tapos yung G map to 3 from 2. Tapos kung gano'n naman yung isa, mhm.
Ito, I'll give you an example. Halimbawa, may dalawa tang function. Say, ito, I'll work it here. Work tayo dito. Si f mo of x is a function. Function lang na muna tayong regular function na alam natin, ha?
Ano ko
2x.
pa, regular function, hindi po. Hindi po sila commutative. Pero I don't know why, actually. Yung real.
Ayan. So, isulat natin para at least you can visualize it. Ito. Say, halimbawa, anong type mong ano? Negative 5x, gano'n? So, can you give me what is f circle g of x or f of g of x?
Negative 10x plus 1
Ayan. Negative 10x plus 1. How about, baliktad, g circle f of x, g of f of x.
Ano naman po siya? Negative 10x, pero minus 5 mo.
Minus 5. So, therefore, hindi to totoo. Di ba? So, hindi
Mama.
pwedeng commutative palagi. So, my question, pwede ko ba, since, di ba mga cycle mo, ano lang naman yan, permutations, tapos yung product dito in between, it's a mapping composition. So, my question is, pwede ko ba siyang ibaliktad?
I don't think so. So, talagang unique po yung permutation na to.
Okay, let's try. Try lang natin.
Hindi, kasi ano ba, so the cycle doesn't care saan po siya. Kasi the cycle will just cycle, kumbaga as it does. Independent po siya sa 1 and 2. So, kahit na ibayin po yung it will still be the same route po kumbaga. So, no matter yung lugar po, they will still map to the same places. So, functionally, they're the same po.
So, therefore, question, equal ba ito o hindi? Based on
Equal
that
po.
argument.
Equal,
Again?
equal po.
That's correct. Equal siya. So, erase ko yan to. Erase ko yan. Equal yan. Tama yung sabi mo. Wala naman sila magkaparehong number eh. Di ba? To create a cycle.
Mama.
1 into sa kabila. 3, 4, 6 sa kabila. And then, walang 5. Ang 5, independent din. So, therefore, they mind their own business. So, pwede nilang pagbalik ta rin. In fact, actually, kung ibabalik natin to, kung magbabasa tayo, ng the way how cycle works, 'di ba? Magsusulat ako 1 2 3 4 5 6. Tapos paano ko 'to ibabalik to our permutation? So halimbawa, 1 is to 2. Pero saan pumunta si 2 dito sa kabila? since 3, 4, 6 lang naman ang nag-cycle, yung 2 mo fixed to 2 pa rin. So therefore, if you have 1 mapped to 2, so therefore dito 2 is mapped to 2 kasi 3, 4, 6 lang nag-cycle, hence ang answer dito must be 2. Okay? So again, next. How about si 2 mo? Si 2 mo si 2 mo is mapped to 1. Pero dito, saan nag-map si 1 mo? Kasi ang cycle mo lang is 3, 4, 6. So therefore, 1 is mapped to 1. Hence, you will have 2 is mapped to 1. And napansin mo, silang lang naman ang nag-cycle. Wala namang iba. So similarly, you will have ang 3, 4, and 6. So 3 is mapped to 4. 4 is mapped to 6. And then 6 is mapped to 3. And walang 5 dyan. So it's understood na it is only mapping to itself. So hence, kung i-compare mo yan to dito sa original, ay pareho lang. It's the same. In fact, actually, meron tayong, later may theorem tayong ipoprove. Ang tawag dito, mga disjoint cycles ito. Ito, disjoint cycles. In fact, actually, disjoint cycles commutes palagi. Disjoint, walang common number. So, they have a mind of their own to create a cycle. Alright? Medyo nakuha?
Aba.
How about this example? Let's call this example beta. Beta. So, ang beta natin, it's composed of, say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pa rin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But we have 5, 3, 1, 6, 2, 4. Question. Can you generate disjoint cycles as products of this permutation? Ano yung cycle natin dito?
1 to 5, tapos 5 to 2, tapos 2 to 3, tapos 3 to 1, tapos, ayun. 1 to
1 to
3, 5.
5, 5 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 1. Correct. Meron pa ba?
6 to 4 mo, 4 to 6.
Okay. 6 to 4, 4 to 6. By the way, are these the same pa rin, no?
Aba.
Pareho lang ba yan?
Cycle na naman ba? So, doesn't matter yung ano ba siguro.
So how about this one? Pareho ba to? 5, 2, 3, 1?
Aba.
Tama. How about ito? Kung gaganin ko to, say 1, 5, 2, 3.
Mhm. Di ba pa pala yan?
Ay, pareho lang pala. Sorry.
Aba.
Pareho lang pala.
Akala
Sorry.
ko pa, I was expecting pa na iba. Pero
Oo,
ano,
nag-iisip ako ng iba eh. Ito na lang iba. Sigurado ito. 1, 3, 5, 2. Ayun, ito na lang.
hindi
And
ba
6,
kasi the one will map to 3 instead of one mapping to 5, which
that's
is
correct. So therefore, hindi
Aba.
iba.
Basta
Correct.
dapat in the order of the cycle mo.
Tama. And again, pareho lang yan if you commute. Kasi disjoint cycles naman sila. 1, 5, 2, 3. So, pareho lang. Alright. So, now, etong question ko. What if meron akong cycles, can you generate ano ang magiging permutation niya? Halimbawa, ito. Let me add additional paper. Ito, halimbawa, Joshua, ito. Let's have it here. Say, let's call this alpha. And let's have, say, 1, 3, 2, 7, 4, 5, 6. Oh, mga cycles yan. At napapansin mo, disjoint cycles sila. So, can you come up with a permutation? By the way, how many elements are there in the domain of these permutations?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yung
7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, can you tell me what are the mappings of each of these numbers to?
So, 1, 2, 3. So, 1, 3. Tapos yun sa 3 po, 1. Tapos sa 2,
Okay?
2, 7. Tapos sa 7 nga po, 2. Tapos sa 4, 5. 5, 6. 6, 4 po.
So, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 4. Very good. No problem. Tapos na tayo. Goodbye. Ganun kaagad, no? Siyempre, hirapan natin. We want to make things life difficult. Halimbawa, ito. Let's call this beta, pero at this time, itong gagawin ko. So, ito, let's consider A to be the numbers, say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and say 7.
Why would someone want to make their lives difficult? Yung
Math lang naman. Nagpapahirap, di ba? Okay. So, di ba? Hindi na disjoint cycles ang imumultiply ko. Let's have, say, 1, 2, 5, 7. You'll have 3, 2, 4, and say 6.
What?
Ayan.
Oh no.
So, my question, ano ang permutation na ito?
This is not good.
So, gawin ko na munang dahil. You think of this, di ba may dalawa kang cycles? Meaning, dalawa itong permutations din. Pero, may pero lang tayo. Pero, functions to. Mga functions to. So, kung isa-isahin mo as a function, you will get your permutation. For example, in this permutation, where is 1 map to?
Ano ba? So, wala ba?
So,
Up to 1 ulit po.
1 is to 1 pa rin, di ba? So, 1 is to 1. Sorry, hindi ko masulat. 1 is to 1. So, therefore, 1 is to 1, punta ka dito dyan. So, ang question, saan naman si 1 nagmap? So, if this 1 map to 1, so therefore, where 1 is mapping to?
So, 1 map to 1, tapos 1 map to 2 po.
Tama. So, therefore, 1 is mapped to 2. That's for 1. Medyo nakuha mo?
Na ba?
Mas makukuha mo to sa pangalawa. Let me erase yung mga illustrate ko. How about, umpisa tayo sa 2. Di ba 2 na to? Saan napupunta si 2? So, ito yung sasagutin natin. Saan niya napunta? So, let's start with this. Where is 2 map here? Saan siya nakamap? Sa una dito. Saan siya na-map?
4
Si 2.
po.
So, you will have 2 is mapped to 4. Pero si 4 mo dito, saan na-map?
Wala ba? 4 to back to 4 po ulit.
4 ulit. So, therefore, you will have 2 is mapped to 4. Nakuha?
Na ba?
Okay, how about 3? 3 is mapped where?
To 2 ba?
To 2. Pero 2 here is mapped to where?
To 5.
So, therefore, 5 yan.
So parang fine-feed niyo po, tapos feed niyo po sa, parang dalawa pong funnels nga po, kumbaga.
Yes, oh. Kasi, di ba, composition of function. Saan napupunta? Parang iniisip mo dito, eto. So, meron kang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kanina, andito si 3. So, tapos si 3 mo is mapped to 2. Tapos si 2 mo is mapped to 5. So, ito yung composition. Ito yung una na 3, 2, 4, 6. Ito na yung pangalawang mapping na 1, 2, 5, 7. So, ito yung parang illustration niya. So, sa ngayon, how about 4? Ito, 4 na tayo. 4 is mapped where? Here.
To 6 mo.
4 is to 6. Pero si 6 mo dito is mapped where?
To 6 mo.
6 yun. So therefore, that's 6. Next, how about your 5?
5 map to nothing mo. 5 to 5. Tapos sa next mo, 5 to 7. So, 5 to
That's
7.
correct. So 5 to 7. How about 6?
6 to 3 yata po sa isa. Pero
Tapos,
3 na naman mo.
okay. And then finally, 7.
7, wala. Tapos ang isa sa po, 7 to 1.
Okay, therefore, 1. Ayun na. So may question. Paano mo masasabi na tama ka? Anong i-check mo una?
Kung ano ba po siya? No. Paano mo malaman kung tama ka? Is that even possible ba?
Ito. Anong ang klaseng function ng mga permutations?
Bijective nga ba?
Bijective. Pwede bang mag-uulit yung mga numbers?
So first of all, check niyo po muna kung walang umulit. Tapos kung talagang ano po, yung po muna. Tapos next, kung ano ba? 1, 2, 5, 7. Same number. Ay, hindi. Kasi kung the same number of numbers, same na ano. So, it must be the same set. Same ano po, same size of course po. Isang sigurado po na yung size, yung larger, smaller, dapat the same.
Mhm.
More of parang making sure po yun eh. Yung it's not
Oo.
about yung parang not about yung if it's correct or not. So ito kung correct ba siya by
Actually, ang sinabi mo ng earlier na, well, masasabi ko correct ako kasi wala naman may nagkapareho nga number. Nakaproduce ako ng isang bijective function.
ayun ba?
Ayun na. Wala nang iba. So ito. How about ito? Try this on your own. Bibigay ko ngayon sa iyo to. So consider, let alpha and beta be in S8. So therefore, 8 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So hanapin mo si alpha. Ang alpha natin ay magiging 1, 3, 2, 7, and say, ay, ano siya pala, disjoint. Ang example ko dito, disjoint. Gagawin natin, joint. Say, 5, 3, 1. Yan. How about beta? Sa beta natin, it's say, gawin natin 1, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. Ayan. So, tanong, can you give me a product of these cycles? Susulat mo muna dyan sa iyo. And show it to me.
Over. What's the annotation tool?
Pwede daw po mag-annotate, sir.
Yeah, no problem. Sure.
Wala pong ano mo. Wala pong option.
Parang meron sa Pero hindi ko alam ang functionality ng Zoom if, for example, ako nagsulat ngayon dito, makikita ko magsusulat ka. I'm not sure na parang papatungan mo siya.
Ito naman. Sa Zoom. Set more. Wala talaga mo. Baka hindi pa naka-enable.
So ano na lang, can you copy the problem,
Sige ba?
and write it on your own board, then just show it to me in a while.
Fit to window. Bakit? Screenshot lang.
Alam mo ba, Joshua, hindi ako marunong mag-whistle.
Ha?
Si,
Di ba?
si Joshua po ngayon lang po siya natuto.
Ngayon na po, parang this month po.
This
This
month
month,
lang, galing ha. Ako hindi, hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin ano eh.
ginaan niya po yung mga national anthem. Diba yung Philippines saka US.
Nanood ka ng Olympics.
Opo.
Galing. Taas na.
Taas na po lang. Kailangan ko lang gumawa.
Nasa ano ka eh, key of A, I think. Taas eh.
Nung bago po nagpalit yung boses niya, ang taas po ng boses ni Joshua eh.
Kailan, kakapalit mo lang ba ng ano?
Mga less than a year pa lang po siya nagpalit ng
Ah.
voice eh. Nang
Ay,
bago
oo, tama. Nung nakita ko interview mo sa TV.
maliit po ang boses niya eh. Ang taas ng boses po pagka yung mga kanta ng mga soprano, gagawin niya po mga ilan higher pa yung key niya po.
So naipit pa yan dyan. Yung
Opo.
hindi pa nag-grow yung Adam's apple.
Opo.
Sige, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hanggang 8 ah. 8. Ayan, good.
Ito yung obvious po. Baka hindi ko pa malagay.
Okay. Yan. Sure na ba yan? Yung 1:3, 3:1?
Yung monetary po, sigurado na po. Pero yung 3:5, tapos ng 5:5. Kung ano. So, 5 mo. Anyway. So, wow, nga lang. 1,
Okay,
3,
that's
5
correct.
nga po. Nice. Okay. 2,
Okay.
7.
Tama naman.
5:1. 1:3.
So 5:3, 3:3, 3:2.
Okay, wait lang ba? 1,
Ah,
3, 5, 5, 1, 1. Okay, dapat, okay. So, dapat parang ganito nga po yung ano, yung parang,
yan. Magsa-cycle ka pa rin. That's correct.
tapos sa 4, 4. Okay. So,
So 4:4, wala. Tama. I think yan. That's correct.
two, 2, 4. 4, 4, 5. Okay. Wait lang po. So, medyo pag dumadami na po yung set siguro. Meron ba pong parang mga pinapagawa po mga 10 sets po tapos yung gagawin niya? Meron po? Wow, oh no. 1 to 2, tapos 2 to 4, so 4 to 5. Okay, 5. 2, 3, 7, 6.
1, 2, 2, 4, 4:5. That's correct. 2:3, 3:3, 3:3. Okay, 6:6, 7:7. 3:5, 5:2, 2:2. Correct. 5:8, 8:8, 8:8. Correct.
4 is
Yung 8:1, 1:1, 1. Ang 8 mo, check mo.
8:1, tapos 1:, what? Wala. 1:1, 1:5. Okay. So, parang kung wala nangyari dito, it needs to go here.
May clumsiness ka lang a bit. Ang 8:5 mo, double check mo ulit.
8:1, 1:1, 1:4. Okay.
Yan.
Tapos, itong isa mo, 2 to... Oo nga na. So, may 1:4 to 5. Wait lang po. Pag natapos to. 4:5, 5:1. So, may 1:5. Sana.
5, 5:1. Ayan, correct.
May 1, 4, 5. So, parang lahat po sila satisfied for some reason.
Yes, oo, tama.
All of them are satisfied at once. So, meron po to siguro. So, may ganyan. Tapusan, ito rin po satisfied kasi may 5, 8. Tapusan, satisfied din po to. Sila. Okay, wala yan. Satisfied din yung, yung ito mo. Tapos ito rin. So, lahat po sila satisfied all at once for some reason.
Ayan. Although, ang satisfaction niya lang, it's based on from right to left. Kasi remember yung function mo, it's a mapping composition from right to left. So, kung nasasatisfy yan ng right, everything na wala na siyang paki doon sa kabila, so satisfy niya ang lahat.
Opo.
Alright, that's good. So now, itong gagawin natin. Magbi-breakdown tayo ng mga cycles. Ngayon, ang mga cycles natin, mas iksiin pa natin yung mga cycles. Magge-generate tayo ng tinatawag na 2 cycles. Sige, can I go sharing my screen on my side?
Opo.
Ayan, share, content, and screen. Ayan. Ayan, let's go back to our example. Halimbawa, let's have this. Okay. All right. Say, for example, you have, say, cut ko lang to Say you have alpha. So, ang alpha natin, it's composed of, say, up to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At this is 2, 1, 4, 6, 5, 3. Can you break this down into disjoint cycles? Anong unang cycle?
Oh no. Naiisip ko na po yung kanina.
Ano?
Is it possible to break down into yung joint cycles? Oh no.
Kanina ito ngayon, disjoint cycles. So kanina hindi tayo nagbe-breakdown Meaning we always operate. What if ang mga permutations mo hindi siya disjoint? So ngayon ito, halimbawa, can you break this down into disjoint cycles?
1, 2, tapos 3, 4, 6, 5, 5, 3, 4, 6. Ano ba?
6.
3, 4, 6.
And 5, 5. So hindi na natin susulat si 5, 5. So now, at this time, itong gagawin ko. Can you check if I write it this way? Magiging pareho pa rin ba siya? Is this equal? Yung dalawa na yan?
So the 3 to the 4 and then the 4 goes to 4. And then the... Okay, so 3 goes to 4 nga, yes. And then the 3 goes to 6. Tama mo. The same.
Tama.
So parang pwede po sila i-merge kung let's say may 3 and 6 and then may 3 and 4. Gagawin na po dito, 4, 3, tapos 4, tapos yung sa kabila po 6.
Tama. So meaning, ito yung ginawa ko dito. Pinair ko muna ang 3 and 6 together. So to produce this, tapos ang sunod, nag-pair ako ng 3 and 4 to produce this. So therefore, instead of a 3 cycle, naging 2 cycle each. Okay? So that's one. So let's have another example para at least we can illustrate what we want to discuss with this topic. So halimbawa, ito naman, still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pero this time, 5, 3, 1, 6, 2, 4. Can you give me now a product of this joint cycle for this example?
1, 5, 1. 1, 5, 2, 3. Yun na ba? Tapos 4, 6.
So 2, 3. Tapos meron kang 4, 6. Ang gagawin natin, we will be breaking this down into 2 cycles. Yung kanina. Gaya ng kanina. So pag breakdown natin, you start with 1. Tapos imamap mo siya with 3. Tapos you again start with 1. Imamap mo siya with 2. Tapos start with 1, imamap mo siya with 5. So,
So,
yan ang breakdown.
this can be done with any basta leftmost. Pwede kasi kasi cycle po 5, 2, 3, 1. So, pwedeng 5, 1, 5, 3, 5, 2 na po.
Yeah, pwede. Pwede.
So,
Kaya
parang,
anyway, 2 cycles naman sila eh. Magbe-breakdown lang naman. So now, ito. So you can verify actually pareho yung dalawa na yan. So I'll just leave the verification to you. But at this time, mapapansin mo, ilang cycles meron ba? 2 cycles meron ang bawat examples na to. In this case, ilang merong 2 cycles?
3.
It has 3, 2 cycles. How about this one?
6 po. 4 po. 4 na.
Yun, obviously, 4 na 2 cycles. May tawag sa mga permutations na to that has odd number of cycles and even number of cycles. For this example, ang tawag dito, this is called an odd permutation.
Ang boring pala po ng pangalan. Kala ko baka there may certain name po. It turns out, basta add lang po. Add permutation.
Para napaka-obvious, no? So obviously, itong tawag dito, obvious.
Even permutation.
Yan. Even permutations. So in other words, itong question ko, lahat-lahat ba ng permutations can be expressed either an odd permutation and an even permutation?
Siguro po, they complement each other and they make up everything naman po siguro. Unless na may one yes, add yun. Kung kahit na 0 po siguro, ano yan, that's nothing. Even na po yan. So, lahat po siguro yan.
That's right. Babalikan natin to sa taas, mga example natin. Halimbawa, dito, yung dalawa na to, can you break this down to odd and even permutations? Halimbawa, ang una, is this odd or even?
That is even yata po.
Ayan, tama. This is even kasi you can break this down as 5-1 and 5-3. How about yung sa baba?
2, 2, tapos yun yung sa 1, 2,
May 2, 2 dyan. Sulat na lang natin para at least kita. 1-5 and 1-4. Tapos dito, 2-5, 2-4. Tapos dito,
1,
1-8,
5, 1, 3, 1, 2 po.
1-5, 1-3, 1-4. So therefore, 2, 4, 6, 8. So it's still an even permutation. So in other words, yes, you can always identify a permutation to be odd or even. Pero ito yung parang question, although trivial to. How about if I break this down into odd and even permutation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So anong permutation nito? Is it odd or even?
That's even siguro kasi wala po nangyari. So, 0, baka,
Parang 0. Yeah, well, actually, you have a point. You have a point na parang 0-2 cycles siya. But actually, you can still express this as a 2 cycle.
What?
Yeah, you can. Can you generate 2 cycles na ano pa rin siya? Na identity permutation. Di ba? Identity permutation to. So, can you produce 2 cycles for an identity permutation. Oh, experiment ka lang dyan.
Absurd. So this is
Itsura nun.
parang kumaga yun na pa yung parang ano po tayo, parang ano yung necromancing, yung parang you're conjuring life out of the dead. Parang there's really nothing there po. Tapos you're trying to make meaning po. Parang ganun po.
Pero actually, makikita mo, ay, simple lang pala. Ganun lang yung even niya. Pero tama yung, actually, hindi ko naisip yung argument mo kanina. Tama nga. Sabi mo, it's an even permutation kasi zero na 2 cycles. Which is, I believe tama. Tama naman yung ano mo. Pero kasi basis mo in the production of cycles eh.
Nga po.
Pero in this case, you can produce 2 cycles pa rin dito.
One it goes to one, huh?
Sige.
I think pwede pong parang cascade para babalik siya sa one in the very end. So,
That's correct. Ano yon?
1 to 6, 6 to 5, 5 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 2, 2 to 1. Pwede po yan.
Ano? Again? 1, 2.
1 to 6 po. Tapos 6 to 5, 5 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 2, 2 to 1.
Okay. Pero is this an identity permutation?
Yes. I think so.
Isulat natin. Ay, by the way, mali yung
Hindi.
notation.
Hindi po siya identity kasi parang nakabaliktad.
Ayun, tama. So, hindi.
Pero ito po yung pagka-broken down po sila into yung two cycles po.
So paano?
Dapat nasa pinakadulo yata po yung ano eh, yung 1 to 6 po nandito. Tapos 6, 5 dito sa 5, 6. So, bali ano po na 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 5, 6.
Again, paano?
1,
1, 2.
1, 2. Tapos 2, 3. Yung next po. Tapos 3, 4. Tapos 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 1 mo.
6, 1. So, let's check. Tingnan natin. Okay, so...
Kailangan po may 5, 6 po.
Ano, again?
Kailangan pa ng 5, 6.
Di kailangan ng 5, 6. Okay. So, let's write this to be 5, 6. Tapos, 6, 1. Tama? Ganon?
Tama.
Okay. 1 is to 6, 6 to 5, 5 is to 4, 4 is to 3, 3. Okay. Tama, 1 is to 1. Kung mag-2 ka naman, 2 is to 2, 2 is to 2, 2 is to 2, 2 is to 2, 2 is to 3, 3 is to 3.
Why?
Si 1 lang yung may map to 1.
Parang very sad po to. This is a very...
Sige. I'll give you some time. Pag-iisipan mo. I'll give you a hint. Kaya siya ng 2 lang na 2 cycles.
What?
Oo. So meaning, think of, mag-e-erase ka dito.
Pwede, you can leave the others alone. So, may 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 4 to 4.
Yeah, oo. Mag-isip ka lang ng 2 numbers. Yun na. Wala ka lang ibisipin mo. I'll leave you to 2 cycles lang.
166.
Ano?
1661 mo.
1661. 1 is to 6, 6 is to 1. Tama.
Okay.
2 is to 2, 2 is to 2, 3 is to 3, 3 is to 3. Up to 6 is to 1, 1 is to 6.
Yay!
Very good. That's it. Pwede din. 1 is to 2, 1 is to 2.
So, parang basta any ano pa, basta any two numbers.
Correct. Pwede din 1 is to 2, 1 is to 2, say 3 is to 4, 3 is to 4.
Para
Diba?
magka-cancel lang po yan. Para magka-cancel lang bale po yung identical.
So may question, anong permutation ng identity permutation? Odd or even?
Even mo. Kailangan po ng pairs.
So this is an even permutation. Permutation. So now, Try to imagine. Try to imagine to, Joshua. Ha? Try to imagine you have Sn. Okay? Meaning, this is the collection of all permutations.
Ito na po yung the permutation of the collection of all permutations.
Nagiging meme. Oh, tama no? But ito, question ko. Try to imagine, kukolektahin mo lahat ng even. Di ba sabi natin, ang permutation mo, it's either odd or even. You collect all of the even permutations. Okay, halimbawa, ito. Balik tayo dito sa taas para at least you have a good, may imagine mo to. At dito sa taas, can you identify which are the even and which are the odd?
So
Ito
the
muna.
even
This
is
is even. This is even or odd?
even mo.
Even. Kasi identity na to. Sure na yan. How about this one? Yung pangalawa.
1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3, even din mo.
This is even then. Tapos how about this one? Row sub 2.
That's also even kasi 1, 2, 3 rin po yun.
Tama.
1, 2, 3. Yan
How
yung
about this
add
one?
na yata po. Yes, add na siya.
Add. How about this one?
Add. Tapos
And this one?
add na rin po yan kasi
Okay.
dalawa na po sa cycle.
So dito is in S3. So therefore, ang S3 mo, may 6 ka, 3 dito. These are all even permutation. So therefore, collect all of the even permutation. Pangalanan natin tong A sub 4, A sub 3. So magiging row sub 0, row sub 1, row sub 2. So itong collection, this is the collection of even permutation on the numbers 1, 2, and 3. So try to imagine, ito sa dulo na ginawa natin, lahat ng n letters. So question, my question is, ilan yung laman ng collection of all even permutations? So A sub n here is the collection of all even permutations.
I feel like it should be end din mo. Kasi parang it
Ilan
makes
lahat?
sense. Wala mo.
By the way, ilan nga to lahat ng SN? SN natin?
2N mo?
Anong formula nito? Di ba? Collection
N factorial ba? N
n
factorial.
factorial. Yan. So pero how about collection ng lahat ng even lang na permutation? May example ka na dito actually kanina. Earlier, sana yan? Ito. You have 6 tapos 3 sila. So anong best guess mo sa lahat na ng n?
N factorial over 2 ba?
Correct. Actually, this is n factorial over 2. Okay. Now, may pangalan ito actually. Number 1, ang A sub n mo is a group. It's a group.
Wow,
Okay.
what a nice name.
Gawin ko siyang black para at least para may emphasis. So, this is A sub n is a group. Maybe try to reason out. Bakit group siya?
Oh no.
Reason out na. Based sa so far sa ano mo, sa observations mo kanina. Halimbawa, ito. Ito, this is even permutation. This is even permutation. Now, question. Di ba anong kailangan mo for it to be a group? Kung i-multiply mo sila together, it must have the same property. So in this case, magmumultiply ka ng dalawang even permutation, the resulting permutation must also be even. So, even bang product ng dalawa na yan, ng alpha at beta? Diba? Magmumultiply ako ng alpha. Dito. Alpha times beta. Anong gagawin mo? Magmumultiply. You don't need to resort to actual multiplication. All you have to do, count the number of 2 cycles. Ah.
Mhm.
Oh, ito, tingnan mo. Ilang 2 cycles ba ng alpha? Ito sa taas.
So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ba?
May apat. How about sa baba? Ilang 2 cycles meron?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8 ba?
8. So therefore, kung i-multiply kong the alpha at beta together, ilang cycles? 2 cycles meron tayo.
So, 8 tapos yun, so may even sa ano. So, wala ba? So, 8 plus ano na? 12.
There are 12. Tama. So that is also even. Nakuha mo? Nagets mo, Joshua?
Aba.
So therefore, the product of 2 even permutation is also an even permutation. So therefore, it satisfies the first condition that there is closure property. Satisfy niya. If you have 2 even permutations, so therefore the product of the 2 is also an even permutations. So ano pang pangalawang property na we need to satisfy?
Total ano ba? So,
Yung pagiging group. Ay, ano bang mga properties ng group?
identity.
Identity. So anong identity element mo? Is it
Nothing
an
po.
even permutation?
Kasi parang, yung ano ba, mismong identity po.
Oo. Pero even identities ba are even permutation based sa so far sa ginawa natin kanina?
Aba.
Yes. Oh, ang example nito, ito, di ba?
Pero
So lahat.
may implication po yan na hindi pala, wala pa lang identity yung si Ad.
Oh, si add yung wala. Tama. Si even meron. So therefore, identity permutations are identity permutation is even. Anong isa pang property we need to satisfy?
Kailangan yung inverse. Bago yung,
Inverse. Okay. Can you describe the inverse of an even permutation? Magsi-sketch ka dyan. Oh, may even permutation ka, tapos ginawa mo tag 2 cycles, di ba? Ano ang 2 cycles ng inverse nun? Even din ba? Isipin mo na, ano ba yung inverse nga? Ang inverse babaliktad lang, right? Being a
Tama.
bijective function. Magbabago ba ang number of evenness ng mga 2 cycles mo? Binaliktad mo lang kasi eh.
Hindi ba? Kasi so magagano na naman. So wala mangyayari.
That's right. So therefore,
Meron po.
ang actually magiging itsura niya ng permutation mo, magaganon lang, babaliktad. Babaliktad lang talaga siya. Say for example, ano ba yung magandang example dito? Say, ito, si alpha. So, na-express mo siya this way. Ano ang alpha inverse nito na even permutations? What do you think?
Bale,
Na
ano pa na?
makikita mo magka-cancel out siya.
5, 3, 5, 1, 2, 7, 1, 3.
Yan, correct. 5-3, 5-1, 2-7, 1-3. Imagine pagtabihin mo yan, magka-cancel out ang bawat isa. Ayon. So that's it. So tama. So therefore, inverses are also even. Oh, tatlong property na. May isa ka pang property na hindi na nasa satisfy nasa satisfy kung totoo o hindi. Ano pang next property? Ang last property.
The last property ba?
Oo.
Associativity.
Associativity. Satisfied ba to?
I think so. Kasi
Dahil
kasi yung, first of all, commutative na siya, so good na yun. Tapos yung isa pa, ano po kasi, yung composition nga po are always associative.
oo. In other words, ang ibig niyang sabihin, inherited yung property. Parang pinagmana lang.
Labang, kung pagiging ano po siya.
So in other by the way, may ko-correct kita kanina, I think may sinabi ka na ang commutative property satisfied. Totoo ba yun?
Hindi yata po.
Hindi siya necessarily satisfied. So as long kasi ang pagiging masasatisfy niya lang kung disjoint cycles. Pero other words, hindi yan nasasatisfy. So ayun. So therefore, it satisfies to be a group. So group siya.
Pero
So,
yung add, bali yung add po, hindi na po, kasi wala nang identity po. Wala na po, hindi na po siya group.
hindi na siya group. Actually, wala na siyang kwenta. We forget about it.
Wala po siyang kwenta.
Wala na siyang may kailangan pa eh. So far when we're talking about group theory, hindi na siya pinapansin. Pero baka when you're talking about monoids, when you're talking about other structures, so baka pinag-uusapan pa doon. Pero when you're talking about groups, wala na. You forget about this. By the way, nakalimutan ko pala. Di ba gumagamit ako ng letters S at letter A? May mga meaning ito, mga groups na to. Yung S sub n, we call them letter S. Ang A sub n, we call them letter A. So, may idea ka kung anong letter S at letter A? Ito yung una. Ayan, yung pinakamalapit na word.
Asymmetrical yung isa. Ano ba?
Ayan, symmetric group. Ito ang tawag. Ito naman,
Asymmetric group. Alternating group.
Ayan. So, alternating group. So, meron ka ng dalawang groups so far that we're talking about under permutations. So, ito ang gagawin natin next meeting. Joshua, we'll prove the properties ng lahat-lahat na pinagsasabi ko kanina. First is about disjoint cycles, na mga product of disjoint cycles commutes. Second, let's talk about how to generate mga disjoint na mga cycles. And then lastly, pag-uusapan natin yung about sa product of disjoint cycles. So lahat ng mga theories under all of these, ito yung pag-uusapan natin next meeting. Pagtapos nito, I think we can shift to another topic na pwede natin pag-usapan. Maybe we can shift to algebra.
Tama.
Pwede na natin, algebra to linear algebra. Pwede na natin pag-usapan yan.
Tama.
Alright? So far, Joshua, I think this would be the end of our discussion so far tonight.
Okay po.
So, kita tayo ulit. So far, may klase na ako. Regular classes ko na kasi TTH from 4 to 5:30. So, maybe malilate lang tayo mag-uumpisa. That will be okay if you give me around 15 minutes. So, mga umpisa tayo by 5:45 sa Tuesday at sa Thursday.
Tama.
So, mga ganito din na time para at least may dugtong lang yung natin. Magiging discussion.
Okay po.
Okay, so I think that's it, Joshua. So, do you have any questions?
Wala ba?
So, tanong ka lang, yung ginagawa mo rin kanina ng usual na send ka lang ng message sa messenger if you have questions or kahit mga weird na question. Try mo nga Joshua, na-try mo na ba mga IMOs? International Math Olympiad na questions?
Hindi pa po, pero siguro the
Oh,
future.
interesting yung mga questions dun eh.
Opo.
Ang hirap eh. So anyway, so that's it so far, Joshua. So kung wala ng questions, thank you very much.
Okay,
So
kaya
I'll send
thank you po.
send ko na lang to yung ano to, PDF file sa iyo. Thank you. Goodbye. Good
Thank
night.
you po.
Si
Bye-bye po.
dad mo, I think umalis mo na.
Hindi, tulog po.
All right, bye-bye, Joshua. Ingat.
Ingat po. Thank you po. Mhm.